Hello everyone, welcome back to the last video where we are going to translate our calculate expression into SQL language because if you remember I told you that we were going to actually look on the both side of the coin where we see how we can write the DAX expression, and I'm also going to show you how you can translate these DAX expression into SQL language because trust me, if you have these two skills, you're going to be champion of the data and analytics, especially from the Microsoft perspective, right? So let me first show you the outcome so you can see the value, and tell you the truth, writing the SQL based on the DAX is a bit easier because obviously we have a pretty set pattern that we need to utilize to apply filters, which is obviously a bit complicated in DAX, but in SQL, it's pretty straightforward. So like you can see, we have the constant sales simple measure that we have created. And let me just click on that. I think that's the nested one. No, that's the constant sale, the last measure, which is obviously have nested filtering. I'm going to get this one. Yeah, I think that's. So you can see I'm using the existing measure, and I'm applying the filter where the model name is road dash 650. Now I'm getting the value to 7.5 million for this product. So you can see in here. Now coming back and writing the SQL. So like I mentioned previously, we need these two tables. And if you remember the dependent and independent concept, which I explained in the previous video, so you are gonna easily understand that the numerical values, they are coming from the dependent table because the dependent table normally contain all the numerical information. So the order quantity and unit price is all going to be part of the dependent table, which is obviously in this case is the reseller sale. And our independent table, and you can see we have the dependent product table because it has an additional dependency. So this table is more like a bridge table because the reseller sale is depending upon product table, and then product table is further depending upon another table. We're gonna see in the upcoming video. I think that's linked with the either reseller or maybe the geographical location. I believe it's a geographical location where on which this table product is depending upon. Regardless, so the two things I have identified while I was looking at the DAX, that my model number is sitting into this table product, and my order quantity and unit price is sitting into reseller sale. And the common key between these two tables is product key. If you haven't watched the initial videos on Power BI, please watch that. I have already explained the data model as well as these relationships. So I link these two tables, I join them and using the inner join, and all I need to pass to create a simple constant sale measure, I just need to put a filter where model name is equal to row dash 650. And all I'm doing, so I'm applying the sum, and you can see I'm aggregating it, this expression. Like what's gonna happen, the query engine is going to evaluate automatically. So in SQL, you don't need to worry about iterator and the table level function, because in SQL, the internal expression is going to be evaluated by row, and then it is going to be aggregated. So we're gonna see exactly the same information. So let's see in here. So whatever the order quantity is going to be against each row, that's going to multiply with unit price. And then at the end, the whole data set is going to be aggregated based on this expression. So let's run it and see whether we are getting the same information. We are getting 7,481,840, which is obviously 7 million, 7.48 million. So if you round it to one digit, you're gonna see 7.5. So that's matching. Great. Now, the second thing, so that's where the SQL is simple in terms of understanding compared to DAX. In here, if you want to apply additional filter, so all we need to just add the filter and apply the logical operator between the filters. So obviously, if I want to apply two filter, I want to apply the AND condition between these two filter. So you can see I have just added AND clause, and then I put an additional condition where RS dot order quantity is greater than 1. Pretty straightforward. And then I'm going to now run it. So you can see I'm getting 6.848 all the way. So it's 6.8 million. So now quickly check it in here. So you can see we are getting 6.8 million. So that's how you can calculate expression into SQL, which is pretty straightforward once you understand how DAX expressions are working. It's pretty easy to convert the DAX expression into SQL language. We're gonna continue this practice in the future video as well. So that will help you to build your both wings to gain the speciality on the DAX as well as SQL. If you have any question, please feel free to post in the comment. More than happy to answer. Otherwise, like the video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.